Good news and bad news is the price of Terra Luna Classic is following the overall market, and it's following it higher today. The bad news is we do have a couple levels of resistance that are fairly close before we can get back up to that level of 8,000 points per coin on Terra Luna Classic. So right now we're trading around 6,400 points per coin. If we can get back up above 6,700 points per coin, it's actually going to be looking pretty bullish in terms of technical analysis, in terms of a technical breakout for Terra Luna Classic getting back up above the 8,000 point per coin mark. Now, I know that is still extremely low, but that is good news. So we're going to be talking a little bit about the technical analysis on Terra Luna Classic in this video, but I also want to focus kind of heavily on the proposal here. The proposal to fund the quant team for the month of August, because right now, guys, we've got a lot of yes votes. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade. It could get you $5 in free crypto, depending on where you guys are from. Now, you're earning 5% on your cash balances on Webull, so make sure to check that out. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it's going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Now, guys, let's first talk about this proposal, because I'm going to spend the meat of the video here discussing it, and then I'm going to jump into some technical levels of resistance that we have on Terra Luna Classic and why we could see it break out pretty soon. So, you know, this proposal is to fund the USTC repeg team. These quantitative analysts who have done no quantitative analysis over the last 2 months, and this is for an August spend. I'm going to be just very blunt with everybody out there, okay? I thought that this was a beautiful opportunity for the USTC repeg team to prove themselves. I'm very skeptical of spending this level of money on any team that we don't know who they're doing, and we don't know what they're doing, and we don't know when they're doing it, and we don't know anything about them, right? Therefore, results. I will pay for results all day long. I will say, go for it, man. They gave us something of value. Let's reward them. They had an opportunity to prove to the Terra Luna Classic community that they have done something of value and therefore should be compensated because of it. Now, what we have right now is an obvious indicator that the Terra Luna Classic community doesn't care about results. The Terra Luna Classic community cares about one thing: keeping the celebrities around, making sure those that are the loudest on Twitter receive paychecks. It's not about delivering results, and it's not about building up the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. It's about making sure those that are in the spotlight stay in the spotlight and they stay receiving their paycheck. Why do I say that? Right now, we don't have any of the major validators voting, but we do have a majority, and a massive majority, yes votes. 61.66% have voted yes to funding the Terra Luna Classic USTC repeg team for the month of August. The month in which we know they did not do any work, they did not meet any of their milestones, and they essentially gave up after they didn't receive the first proposal that went through. A lot of the members of the USTC repeg team have stated that governance is broken on Terra Luna Classic, that Terra Luna Classic is doomed and all of that. Yet here we are with 62% yes votes because we want to see them funded. Like I said, not because of the work they have done, because we want them to stick around. 11.39% have abstained, 13.85% have voted no, and 13.11% have voted no with veto. Here's the situation that we're going to run into with this proposal. If all nodes comes in, if any of these other major validators come in and simply abstain, this proposal will meet quorum. This proposal will be passing with vast majority. It's 61% yes votes. And it is going to solidify the fact that we're not paying for work done. We're paying to keep these guys around. Now, we know that when this proposal was first introduced back in July, when the USTC repeg team wanted paid that $20,000, it was in 2-month increments, right? The first 20 was going to come in. They were going to discuss things with decentralized exchanges, prove through their back tests that we could stair step, and using that divergent protocol and that buyback protocol, we could stair step the price of USTC back up to $1, and then we could stabilize the price at $1. Now, you guys know the story, and you guys know what has developed since then, and the 800 million USTC zombie wallet and everything that has distracted them along the way. But this is not the end, right? If this were the last proposal, what would we have accomplished along the way? Is USTC repegged? No. Is USTC any closer to being repegged? No. Is Terra Luna Classic thriving in a decentralized finance world? No. So the work will continue. And at that point, you have to ask yourself, go back to the videos from 2 months ago. Will there be enough money in the Terra Luna Classic community pool to continue this funding? And the answer is no. We could have afforded it for 2 months, and we technically can afford. If you guys want to pay these guys for work not done in August, we technically can afford the final, I guess, payment here at the $20,000. That technically can be afforded, but it cannot be afforded in September, October, November, and moving forward. Why? The Layer 1 development team and Hexagon, or the Terra Rebels, whatever you want to call them out there, they will continue to be funded as well. Now, because the price of Terra Luna Classic is lower, we have even less money in the community pool than we had before. And if we couldn't afford it before, we certainly can't afford it now. So it is going to be very interesting. There is, let's see how much time we got left. It ends September 1st, the evening on September 1st. So we do have just a couple of days before this proposal is finalized. And we're going to see what the Terra Luna Classic community is willing to do. Right now, it seems like they want to keep these guys around. They want to keep the celebrities in the spotlight, and they want to continue dishing out paychecks, even if we don't have the work completed. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. And just to briefly, let me know what you think down in the comments below, but since I said we're going to briefly touch on the lines of support and resistance, Terra Luna Classic bouncing with the overall market today is an excellent sign, showing that it is being dictated by the overall crypto space, and it's not being dictated or left behind as crypto grows and Terra Luna Classic continues to fall. That is excellent news. 6,700 points per coin is the next major level of resistance. If we can break that, we're not going to find technical resistance until we get all the way back up above 8,000 points per coin again, which is excellent news and a bullish indicator that we could rise 20+% before we really run into some technical trouble. So now, once again, let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments below, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere, 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.